This is Backyard Trail update number 3. It's the final update, and I built the trail for the family, so I thought it a good idea for Eden to come with, and Ruby. We're gonna start from the beginning. Let's do this. You ready, Eden? Okay, here we go. These stairs were here when my wife bought the house. So is this trail. I think they used to grow a lot of plants and trees up here for oranges, lemons. Looks like there was some avocados and stuff like that. All right. Coming up first is the Ewok ramp. My buddy Chris and I built this thing. That's the Ewok ramp. It's amazing. And then over here on the right, my brother came in from Hayward, California, and he helped me build this gazebo. I'm already tired from carrying the baby, so we're gonna stop and take a break here, and then we'll continue on. All right, quick break at the gazebo, and Eden and I are back on the mission. We're walking up the steep trail right now. Our first stop is going to be Makeout Rock, or I think that's what it's called. We'll find out when we get to the sign. Ready, Eden? You having fun? Here we go. Used to be a chicken coop here to my right. Long gone now. I don't know how they kept the coyotes out of there. We've got a lot of coyotes around here. I was right. It's called Makeout Rock, and we're almost there. That's Makeout Rock, and then around this way is Lookout Point. We'll head over there and take another little break. All right, time to take a little break, Eden. Let's get you some shade, though. All right, time for another break, and then we'll check back in a sec. Okay, Eden's getting a little antsy. She says it's time to go. All right, we're gonna move on. I think the next one's Surefoot Lookout, but that one's a little hairy, so I don't think I'm gonna take Eden on that one. But I'll show you the sign and I'll point you in the right direction, and then we'll move on. Here we go. Trail keeps going. Up to an old Jeep trail that's no longer used. Then I started making the trail again up through here. Over that way, if you follow that trail, it goes to Surefoot Lookout. That one's kind of dangerous, so I don't want to take Eden over there. So we're gonna keep heading up. Uh-oh, Eden took off her sock. Hope she doesn't drop it. Hold on to that sock, Eden. Don't drop that sock. All right, I'm gonna set the camera down for a minute. It gets kind of steep here, and I wanna make sure I got good solid footing since I'm taking the little one up with me. Okay, we're off. Here we are at Lithuanian Chair. It's a great spot to take a break. There we go, having a little seat. Gonna take another little break, take our time on the way up. We'll check in back in a sec. Thanks for watching, by the way. Okay, we're now leaving Lithuanian Chair. Got Eden's sock back on, and we're headed up this trail. There's a couple more interesting stops before the top. I'll show them to you. Ready, Eden? Here we go, sweetie. I think I'm gonna name this Eden's Clearing, but we didn't make a sign for it yet. Up from Eden's Clearing. This spot is all matted down. My guess is an animal probably gave birth here. Maybe a deer or some coyote had some babies there. All right, we're gonna keep on moving. Let me set the camera down for a minute and get a better grip on Eden. This next spot gets pretty steep. Here we go. All right, we're at the top. Here's a good spot to look over everything. What do you think, Eden? Yeah, baby. All right, let me go show you Miriam's Point, the highest spot in our backyard. Miriam's Point right there. What do you think, Eden? Pretty into it, huh? Good job, Eden. All right, the next spot I'm going to show you, I'm going to name after my father who passed away. He had a battle with cancer and didn't make it. So I'm going to name this next place Paul Baltese Campground. And me and Eden are going to take you there now. Through some nice tall grass, making sure to watch our step. Don't want to surprise any animals or anything. And Eden's kind of talking to us a bit. Yeah, keep talking, Eden. Okay, here we go. I'm going to turn this into a campground. Paul Baltese Campground is going to be its name. And look who took off her sock again. All right, thanks for watching. We're going to take a little break here at the campground. Till next time. Here's the one sock wonder taking a break at the campground. Where's that other sock? Where's that other sock?